Yes, so my people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, I greet in our top Wazobia fitness world this morning. My name is Papa Jojo. The area where we did search like this morning, our top Wazobia fitness world, now it be therapy conditioner program and tuner program for your arms and your joints. As we go, you wait there so you know say yes, you two have done ready to join us. I want you as they take on the count, may you follow us straight away. 1, 2, 3. Now so you go follow and go 4. You know go change them. 5. Feel the impact for your joint. 6, 7. Then you go hold on. 1, 2, 3. Balance up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. Then meanwhile, you go hold and go up. 1. You go feel the impact. 2. This one a conditional program for your arms alone, because if you look at the way the carrier go, you go see say the arms and the joint, every part of that hand they straight, tight, you know, bend. So this one they help you tune up your hand, make it tight so that you know just go day free like that anyhow. You know go day melere, but it go day can't be agile and tight. If you look my elbow joint, you go see say it day tight. Every part of my hand, from my finger go reach my shoulder, everything day tight, can't be. 5. Now so you go follow and go 6. The thing they resist you say may you know if you stretch. 8. But you go stretch and all on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then change over to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll see by the time you do, my people waiting for Nigeria and Obodo the world where they hear us for top channel 195. You'll see by the time you put this thing. It is someone like say, I'll feel pull arm. The thing will pull my hand. Meanwhile, as you do hold on, the more you do hold on, where they use the whole of your strength, the pull arm, that thing they help you tune up your hand, and the whole of your hand go there straight, tight. So now so you yourself go carry and go. So meanwhile, now we go 1. Now so you go 2 with your count. 3. Meanwhile, no go out of your count to 4. Follow the count as they go. 5. Then may you concentrate. 6. Now so you go 7. Then you go all on 8. My people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, you two say look the way I hold my hand. As I hold on, if you two say we the house, they join us with this special segment. If you hold your hand, then you two say go no say yes. Your hands and your joint, they walk where and now so they flow where they go. So now the other way around where you go. 1. Now so you go 2, 3. Follow your count. 4. Feel the impact where 5. Now so you go 6. But meanwhile, I say hard. 7. Then 8. Okay, you don't finish that part. Now see the way I put my hand. Now so you just go put your hand. You go be like at the back side of your hand and you they take grip. And you go they extend, they go gradually. Now so you go to follow, they go 1. You go follow 2. You go feel the impact where 3. Now so you go 4 with your count to 5. You go follow and go 6. Try make you endure. You know easy 7, but now you know go give up. 8. You go hold on. You go be like say you want pull your hand where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try more. 6. No give up. 7. Then 8. You don't balance your hand like this. Now so you go 1, 2. Now another flexion extension program for your elbow joint be this. Now so you go flow 5, 6, 7. Then on that 8 you go hold on up. 1, 2, 3. As you follow your count, now so your hands go dead tight, can't be like that. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go turn to change to the other side, because you know go good may you do one side, may you not do the other impact. Meanwhile, you need to balance, may you regulate everything so that everything go balance up as you go 1, then go 2, 3. My people of Nigeria and Obodo the world, I really want to appreciate now for this special time when I don't use with us for top channel 195 start time Wazobia TV. As you follow us flow, where would they go? You two are going to say, what do they do now? Wazobia TV really planned this special time with you. So may you two just follow us go as we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,